You can start whenever you want.
Oh, I received a question from someone, and I'm going to read the question. It's a great question, so here we go. What causes the gasping at end of life? My mother passed in our home with her hospice nurse with us, which is wonderful. I believe she had already crossed over, but her body kept gasping, almost as if she were fighting to breathe. What causes this? I was not told to expect something like this, and to say that it was traumatic to watch is an understatement. And I understand this whole thing, so let's talk about it, because people don't die like they do in the movies, where they say something very profound and they're dead. It just doesn't work that way. So what normally happens is, in the minutes to hours, a person's breathing changes. And it often not only does start and stop breathing, but they start breathing like a little fish breathes when you take it out of water. Now, I know that that's a hard description, but that's as close as I can come. Just think of that little fish as its mouth opens and closes, and that breathing gets slower and slower, and then something interesting happens. There is a momentary facial expression